To change the player order on the Nintendo Wii, it's really easy to do. So at the moment you can see this is player 1, the one without the strap is player 2, the white one with the strap is player 3. Pretend we want this one in the middle to be player 1. All we have to do is grab one of the working Wiimotes and press home. And then we need to go down to the bottom where it says Wii Remote Settings and press A. Now we need to go to where it says Reconnect and press A. And now it's going to disconnect all of them. And now if we want this one to be player 1, we have to reconnect this one first. So we just need to hit buttons 1 and 2 together. And you will now see it will sync up again and this will be as player 1. There we go, player 1. Let's do this as player 2. Now don't worry about the flashing when it's syncing up, that just indicates how much battery power is left in the controller. So the more lights, the more powerful the battery. And this is going to be player 3. There we go, thanks for watching.